Hi, Tanul.
Good afternoon,
Uh,
ma'am.
Congratulations, All India 116, right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Congratulations from all of us, Career Launcher, Patna, LST. And I'm sure you must be totally exhilarated.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what was your first
Thank.
reaction?
I was very relieved
Uh,
because it was longer than I'd expected,
mhm.
and I was very happy because my family is also very happy with whatever rank I've achieved.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you really expecting it?
No, ma'am, I was expecting a good rank,
Hmm.
something around 200, 300, but 116 was more than expected.
Okay. So, your family also must be really proud of you.
Yes, ma'am.
And
They're very satisfied.
all right. So Tanul, let's just start from the very beginning. How did you get started, and what prompted you to take up law or think of law as
Yes,
a
ma'am.
career option for yourself?
I decided to take CLAT in around April 2019 after my board exams. So I attempted the 2019 paper with just 10-15 days preparation, around a month preparation. And
Okay.
then I actually started my preparation. I joined coaching, I joined CL, and then I prepared for more than 1 year, which was not expected.
Yeah, actually, the preparation went on much longer than even we had all planned for.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how was the whole experience,
It
according,
was a
in your view, with Career Launcher LST Patna?
It was a very learning experience. Everybody was so supportive at CLLST. Every teacher also motivated, but they also taught us discipline. What are the mandatory things to do? What are the things you must do? The things you can't avoid, like avoiding the mock is almost sinister. And so it was very helpful. Every faculty member was very helpful, and the content was also very important. Mm,
Okay. So now that you mentioned content, how close did you find it, or how helpful did you find it rather, for the actual exam?
And the mocks were mandatory and they were brilliant. I took
Hmm.
every mock because I knew that if I started avoiding mock, then I did not stand a chance. So
Hmm.
I took every mock almost religiously, and all and while giving CLAT, the actual CLAT, I felt a very strong familiarity because of all the mocks I had given. So they were very similar on very similar lines, the CLLST mocks, and they were very helpful. And content on GK was also very vast and very helpful. So it covered almost everything comprehensively.
Right. And then you got these additional, I would say, 5 months almost, uh,
Yes,
for
ma'am.
the preparation. So that would also have helped you tremendously, I'm sure.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
but at the same time, those were very traumatic times. So how did you keep yourself, geared up and motivated for the exam? Because a lot of people lost out altogether. Some were very like halfway around July or so, they had almost started feeling, ki kuch nahi hoga and things like that. How did you manage to stay cool and motivated through these times?
I was also exhausted, like everybody else, with the
Mm.
new pattern around January. But I developed a routine, and I felt that I can do some things very safely and sustainably, like reading newspapers. These are things which are not monotonous or boring, and also count
Right.
as preparation. So
Right.
I can do them
Absolutely.
consistently every day. And
Absolutely.
preparation or without preparation, I still read newspapers, but without the burden of preparation. So
Okay.
I took those safe paths, like reading a newspaper, taking the mocks, and reading things which interested me, and they all
Mhm.
counted as preparation, fortunately enough. So it was, I developed a very safe routine. I did not go very hard on myself. Because I know it has taken longer than expected, and I need to go, I need to be soft on myself. So I maintained a very soft routine, a very safe routine, which will help me, but not very hard on myself.
Okay. So your advice to those who are preparing or planning to prepare, uh, and as regards the paper, would be regular reading habits and newspaper reading, I guess, would be one of them.
Yes, ma'am, that is mandatory. It is a reading based exam. The more you read, better. And that is why it is also easy as well, because those who are comfortable reading, those who enjoy reading diverse topics, it is not very difficult because they are
True.
preparing and also they're not preparing. They are pursuing their habits and hobbies. So it is a very easy
Yeah,
preparation
true.
for those who are interested and intrigued in it.
Yeah, anyone with good reading habits definitely has a great edge over the others.
Yes, I read more than I've ever read in the last year.
Okay, you'll be reading a lot more once you join law college, right?
True, very true.
Okay, so when we look at the CLAT paper, this year's CLAT paper, now you've taken the 2019 CLAT as
Yes, ma'am.
well,
Yes,
although
ma'am.
with just 10-15 days of practice, like you said.
Yes, ma'am.
And when you keep in mind the present pattern, um, what, which were the challenges or areas which you thought were very challenging from a student's perspective?
I think developing the familiarity with the new pattern is very important because speed is very crucial. Without speed, you can't be leaving on questions. If you're leaving questions, then obviously you're out of the competition. So for that, a very good reading speed is important. So for that, a familiarity with all the topics. If you have
Mhm.
read enough, then you know the topics. Then you can skim through them very well and still comprehend. So I
Right.
think again, reading is very crucial. If you have, because most of the articles which came in the exam, I was
Right.
familiar with. So I read through them real quick, and so I
Uh,
could complete the
yeah,
almost.
so quick cursory glance through, the whole question was sufficient to give you a gist of what was coming next, and you could handle the questions more
I did not have to
comfortably.
reread much. I mean, a
Yeah,
single
you
read
didn't
was
have to
enough.
read it much. True, that's true. A lot of the questions I found were from various editorial pages and newspaper
Yes, ma'am.
editorials, Times of India, HT, Economic Times, and all that. So you're right there. And which section, or when you were taking the exam as such, uh, which section did you find very difficult or more challenging, or what was the actual strategy that helped you in the exam?
My order of attempt was GK legal, English logic, and then maths. So the main issue was that sometimes I mm, s- invested disproportionate amount of time in legal, and then I could not complete maths as a result of which. So adhering to time limits was very crucial. That completing the section in a particular time limit, no matter what, because you can't afford not seeing easy questions at the cost of difficult ones.
Right.
So time management was very crucial, and legal I found a bit lengthy, a bit lengthy. So I tried to do it fast, skim through it, but I tried to attempt every question, no matter what. Maths wasn't a challenge. I was comfortable with maths, but again, because I attempted it last, so I could not complete it very often, but still I tried to complete it.
Mhm. Um, okay, so your advice to the upcoming law students, the aspirants um, who would be targeting 2021, one specific piece of advice from you.
Ma'am, it is a very therapeutic process actually, if one is interested in it. The preparation process, it is a very learning experience. Mm, mm, but an aspirant has to invest in the things which one can do consistently, which does not become monotonous for him, which is always
Mhm.
interesting for him, like reading newspapers if one is interested in reading journals and stuff. If one is interested in doing all this, then it is a very easy preparation, right? But still, people can develop habits, change their habits, and so all this can be done with effort as well. I believe I was not comfortable in every area, but with time I made myself comfortable with every area. So the key is making yourself comfortable with the areas, and investing in the areas which you are comfortable and interested in.
Mhm. Okay. And overall experience with us at CLLST, how has that
MCL,
been?
MCL was very helpful. Some CL sessions were very motivational because these are tough times and motivation was very crucial. So the
Mhm.
teachers were very motivational from the head office and from Patna Center as well.
Okay.
And the content was very vast, so I did not have to refer to anything other than CL's material. I
Right.
did read I did read newspapers as a good habit, but apart from that, I adhered to the CL content, and that was more than enough. And every teacher was very motivational and supportive with all the experience they have.
Okay. Any specific plans once you finish law or you through law school? Anything that you have in mind specifically,
I
or you
want to
haven't thought
take
about it?
I want to take the judicial examinations, I want to
Okay.
take the competitive examinations, but I think I'm open to all avenues. I'll
Yeah,
be
it's too early,
accommodative.
frankly. It is
Yes,
too
ma'am.
early.
I'll be very
Yeah.
accommodative to whatever comes my
Oh,
way.
all right. Tanay, once again, hearty congratulations from all of us, CL LST Patna, and the whole LST family. Okay. And we wish you all the very best. Be persistent in your hard work, as you've always been very sincere. And I'm sure you'll come off with flying colors at the end of this whole journey. 5 years in law school. Enjoy those 5 years, make the most of them. And I need not say it to you, always stay in touch. We are there for you whenever you require any kind of help.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
yeah.
All of you have contributed immensely in my preparation and which eventually helped in my performance. So I thank you all immensely for all your contribution.
Yeah. So whenever you happen to come down to Patna, do make it a
Yes,
point
ma'am.
to visit, because we'd love to have you in our classrooms, interacting with the kids, sharing your experience, etc.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'll definitely come.
Okay. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Enjoy
Bye.
the next few days, because things are going to get really hectic very soon.
Yes, ma'am. Indeed.
Okay. Bye,
Thank.
Tanul.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.